I'm Des Speed, CEO of Lagan Technologies, a very fast growing company. We've grown since year 2000 about 2,200% as an organisation. For us to grow at the rate that we've been able to grow, it's been a combination of a whole variety of things in terms of having a truly world-class product that is better in its field than any other, having a very capable sales and marketing organisation to win deals with prospective customers, but also to have sufficient funding to invest ahead of the curve, as it were, before the revenue is achieved to make this happen. And for us as a company, it's been essential to bring venture capital investment in to enable us to do that. And in fact, we've just completed our third major venture capital round. As part of our various fundraising rounds, particularly the first fundraising round, we've met a significant number of VCs, venture capital organisations in Ireland, and had a variety of conversations and quality of conversations with them. And certainly in the experience that we had in those discussions versus what we've discovered in working with Crescent, my view is that Crescent has been the best of those in Ireland that we could possibly have dealt with. And that has come through subsequently in the willingness of Crescent, and in particular at board, to support the company through initially what were tough times. We're fortunate that over the last 2 years we've had a very, very strong run, but it hasn't always been so. And whenever you reach tough times, that's a real test of what a relationship feels like. And I suppose one phrase that for me would capture it as well would be common sense. That at times it's all too easy for people at board to panic if things aren't going the way they would like them to go. And we have found Crescent in times like that to be a very constructive organisation to deal with. Fortunately now we're in a position where the business is growing very, very strongly, highly successful, and again Crescent have been a very useful counterweight at board, providing strong input and balancing out a variety of some of the other inputs at board. And in terms of health of a board, it's very important to have a series of different dynamics of people with different backgrounds and skills and experiences, and Crescent have played a very strong part in helping us to get to where we are. I mean, obviously there are pros and cons with VC investment, as we all know, but clearly there's the financial input that often is essential to growth. Often with that there is a financial discipline brought to board that a venture capital organisation brings, which certainly has been the case with Crescent. And typically another value add one would look for is networks of contacts, particularly whenever the venture capital organisation has investments with other companies that may have parallels in some way, such as type of business or international expansion or pains of growth. And certainly in our experience, Crescent have been more than willing to bring ideas and contacts to us that have been constructive as far as that goes. Our ambition here is to make Lagan a truly great international software company, and in achieving that, one of the things that will really have helped set us on our course was the investment that Crescent were prepared to make back in 2002.